Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'll be talking about Motto United Nation, also known as MU and Moon. Motto United Nation is to step into the shoes of world leaders to solve global problems and issues. Simply, Motto United Nation means the simulation of real United Nation, in which students act as delegates to solve global issues through debate and cooperation. The idea of Moon originated from 1920s at the Harvard University. After the World War II, the League of Nations was replaced with United Nations when it was well known as Motto United Nation. Since then, schools and colleges have implemented Moon in their systems to aware students about global issues, peace and diplomacy. Now I will tell you the execution of the Motto United Nation. First is the opening ceremony, in which delegates are welcomed by the organizers or the people who host the program. A second is the roll call, in which the chairperson calls the name of the delegates to check if anyone is present or not. In this, delegates respond by saying present or present and voting. Present means that they are voting, and present and voting means that they are not voting. After that is the third, which is opening debate. In opening debate, delegates talk about the main agenda of the topic. After that is the fourth one, which is a speakers list, in which delegates talk in an organized order, talking about the vision of their countries about the topic. Next is the moderate caucus, in which delegates talk about their speeches about their country's point of view for 2 minutes. Then is the unmoderate caucus, in which delegates are given a free time by the chairperson to discuss and take out a good resolution for the debate of the program. After that is the introduced draft resolution, in which delegates perform their draft resolution to the chairperson and other delegates. Then it is the amend draft resolution, in which delegates correct their resolution to make it even more stronger. Then we have the closing ceremony, in which the chairperson closes the ceremony to go for the voting procedure. After that is the voting, in which the delegates vote to see if the resolution passes or not. And finally, it's the closing ceremony, where delegates get awards and certificates. In conclusion, we understand that Motto United Nation is just not a competition, but it is a platform where we can enhance our public speaking, communication and confidence skills. We can also gain knowledge about current affairs, and can also seek knowledge about how the world works and how we can make it a better place to live. In my suggestion, I encourage people to join and participate in Moon, because Moon helps you to get more updated, informed and responsible global citizen.